Hello students, how are you? This is Sudhir, your math teacher, and welcome to my class. So today I am going to teach you from chapter number 6. Chapter number 6 are very important chapter, children. This is linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. So why I am telling you it is an important chapter. In your 10th standard also you have this chapter. There you will get the pair of linear equation. Here only a linear equation in two variables. But in the 10th standard you have pair of linear equation. Means you will take the two lines there. Okay, so first of all the basics we should learn here. What is the linear equation in two variable? And you know in your previous class, that mean 7th or 8th standard, you have learned about the linear equation in one variable. That is called as simple equations also. So simple equation means that is in the form of like ax plus b, like maybe 3x plus 2 equal to 0 or 5x minus 2 equal to 0. These type of equations are there. So this is called the simple equations or a linear equation with one variable. First of all, what is the linear equation? The linear equation means the degree of an expression. The degree of an expression, if it is 1, it is a linear equation. Okay. So what is the degree of an expression here? Here we have only one variable. If degree is 1, power nothing is there. That means it has 1 is the degree. So that it is called a linear equation. If we have 2 as the degree, we call it a quadratic equation, right? So in your IIT also you have completed the topic about that quadratic equation, right? So now we are discussing about the linear equation. Linear equation means the highest power we get 1. Now the linear equation having the two variables. That means like maybe okay we can take 2x plus 3y equal to 5 is one of the equation I am taking. This is called the linear equation in two variables. What are the variables here? X and y are the two variables we have taken. Here we have taken only one variable, that is x, but here we have taken the two variable, that is x and y. So that this equation is called linear equation in two variable. So what is the general form of a linear equation in two variable? This is very important question. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is called a linear equation in two variable. So what is the condition to get this is a linear equation? Means this quotient, sorry, ax plus by, this quotient, that means modulus of a plus modulus of b is not equal to 0. So modulus means if you take any number, like for example 5 you are taking that 5, or for example minus 5 we are taking, for example take this one only. Here when we are comparing these two equations, here a is equal to 2 and here b is equal to 1. So modulus of 2 plus modulus of 3, this modulus of 2 is 2 only, modulus of 3 also 3. The answer is 5 but not equal to 0, so that it is linear equation. For example, now I am going to take another example, that is 2x minus 3y equal to minus 1. I am taking one more equation. Now here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3. Okay, b equal to minus 3. Here b equal to 3 children. So 2 plus 3 equal to 5 we got it. Now b equal to minus 3 I am taking. This modulus of 2, because as per this condition, plus modulus of minus 3. Modulus of 2 is 2 plus modulus of minus 3. Modulus of minus 3 means this negative, this modulus what it will do, it will take it absolute value. Absolute value means this minus 3 also will take as a positive only. Okay, then the answer is here 5 but is not equal to 0. So that it is a linear equation. So got it, the linear equation, the general form of a linear equation, the two variable ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The condition to get ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation, that is the modulus a plus modulus b is not equal to 0. So this is about the linear equation, children. Now, next word we are going to discuss, that is solution or roots or zeros. Solutions, roots or zeros we can say here. So what is the meaning of solution here? Can you tell me any two number which is satisfy this condition, 2x plus 3y equal to 5? Just I am going to take x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1. These two I am going to substitute in this, then I will get 2 into 1 plus 3 into 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3, that is equal to 5. Got it, this answer? Then you can say this one is solution. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 are the solutions of 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Got it, sir? So this is the concept. So solution means when we are substituting here, it should be satisfied, right? That means 2 into 1 is 2, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We got it the 5 only here. Then this 1, 1. That means x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 are called solution of the equation. Okay. Next we are going to discuss about the graph. So if you draw the graph by using this, so what you will get? For example, it is a plane. It is x-axis and this is y-axis and here 0 origin, right? The intersecting point of the axis. See, this is called a horizontal line. The horizontal line is called x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. The intersecting point of horizontal line and vertical line is origin. Origin means this one 0, 0. Got it? Now just I am going to take here some points like 1, 2, 3. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1, 2, 3, and this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And look at this one, children. This is the first quadrant, right? We can divide a plane like into 4 quadrants. Okay? Quadrants. So this is first quadrant Q1. This is second quadrant Q2. This is third quadrant Q3. This is the fourth quadrant Q4, right? So we have the 4 quadrants here. In the first quadrant, both x value and y value will get a positive. Both are positive here. This is plus comma plus. And in the second quadrant, one x value is, actually we can take a solution like x comma y. If you want to plot a point on the graph, first you can select x-axis and then you can select a y-axis. Okay. So x comma y is a point we are taking. So here x is a negative value, y is a positive value. So that minus comma plus is the second quadrant. And here x is negative and y also negative, so that it is minus comma minus. And here the positive x-axis, because first we have to take x and then only we should prefer the y value, right? So this is the x and this is the y. So positive x and negative y, so that plus comma minus. This is the fourth quadrant. Now my question, if I want to draw the this line just to observe. So any 2 points we have to select to draw this one. That means x, y. So here I have taken x1, I have taken, y I have taken. This 1 plus 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 3 1s are 3. That is equal to 5. It is satisfied. So that this 1 comma 1 are called the solution, right? Where you can get it, this 1 comma 1. This is x-axis, right? X value. See, on x-axis, here we have a line lines. Okay. Generally, this x is equal to 1 mean, very important point we will cover here. X is equal to k is a line parallel to the y-axis. X is equal to k is a line parallel to the y-axis from k unit distance. Okay, very important bit. X is equal to k is a line parallel to the y-axis from k unit distance. Okay, so that x is equal to 1 I have taken. This is the point 1 comma 1 is the solution. So x is equal to 1 is a line. This one, it is a parallel to the y-axis from 1 unit distance from y-axis. Okay. Now y is equal to 1. The y is equal to 1. Here y is equal to k. Y equal to k is a line parallel to the x-axis. Parallel to this is x-axis, right? So y is equal to k. That means y is equal to 1. If I take here y is equal to 1, you can select on the y-axis 1 and you can draw a line here. This line is y equal to 1. This line is x is equal to 1. Now you can observe here x is equal to 1 is a line parallel to the y-axis from 1 unit distance, and y is equal to 1 is a line parallel to the x-axis from 1 unit distance. Let me know, the children, where these two lines are intersecting. Here, this is the point. Now this is 1 comma 1. So 1 comma 1 is a point. Just 1 comma 1 is the solution, we got it, right? So this 1 comma 1 is a point we can take here. Got it? So actually no need to draw this line on the graph, but we have some lines here. On the graph we have already these lines. Just you have to focus where these two lines are intersecting. Okay, that is 1 comma 1. Now another solution I am going to take here, children. That is, what can I take here? Just to think, which is the best solution to satisfy 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Okay, just I am going to take y value is 0. If I take y value is 0, then I have that 2x is equal to 5. Because y becomes completely 0, then 2x is equal to 5 in x is equal to 5 by 2, which is equal to 2.5. That means I can take here 2.5. So 2 into 2.5 is 5, 3 into 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So that this 2.5 comma 0 is a solution. 2.5 comma 0 is the solution of 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Now I will select here this point 2.5 comma 0. 2.5 is the point lies between this 2 and 3. 2 and 3 here. This is 2.5, x is equal to 2.5 and this is the line. It lies between 2 and 3. So this is what x is equal to 2.5. Now y is equal to 0. Y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 means on y axis only we have to take. Y equal to 0. Observe here, y equal to 0. This is the 0 on the y axis. Now y equal to 0 means you should draw the line here only, right? That means very important point now. Y equal to 0 is a x-axis. Y equal to 0 is it is x-axis. Then x is equal to 0. Yes, it is y-axis. For example, x is equal to 1. I have drawn a line here. X is equal to 2.5. I have drawn a line here. Now x is equal to 1 0. X is equal to 0. So 0 here I should draw a line here. This is 1. It is a y-axis. So x is equal to 0 is a y-axis. Y equal to 0 is the x-axis. Very important point these two and very important for short answers. X is equal to 0 is a y-axis, y equal to 0 is a x-axis. X is equal to k is a line parallel to the y-axis, y is equal to k is a line parallel to the x-axis. Got it? Very important point this one. So, now what I am trying to say, y is equal to 0 means you got it this one. It is x-axis only. So, this one and this one intersected at this point, this is 2.5 comma 0. Now children, very important point I am going to cover here. The 2.5 comma 0, the point is lies on the x-axis. That means if you take any point like x comma 0, if you take any point like x comma 0, that point is lies on x-axis. Got it? If you take a point like 0 comma y, that means for example I am going to take 0 comma 5. Where should I plot this 0.5 on the graph? Just to focus here. This is 0, x is equal to 0, right? Here it is x is equal to 0, this means y equal to 5. X is equal to 0 means on x-axis, this is the 0. So, this is the line. So, already we have discussed x is equal to 0 is a y-axis. Y equal to 5 is then y equal to 5 means on here, okay, this is 4 and here 5 means y is equal to 4, this one. So, y is equal to 5 on the y-axis, we have to draw a line like this, which is parallel to x-axis. Then the two are intersected at this point, this one. So this is 0 comma 5. That means what I am trying to say, 0 comma 5, that means a point like 0 comma y, it lies on y-axis. Okay. So this is about main concept we are going to complete from this chapter. So the intersecting point of the axis is called the origin. Okay. So what we have discussed, what is the linear equation we have discussed, what is the solution we have discussed, what is the graph we have discussed. But now I am going to try using these 2 points because 2 solutions I got. 1 comma 1 I have taken, 1 comma 1 is this point and 2.5 comma 0 is the point is this one. By joining this one, if I extend it, something will get like this. So this is 2x plus 3y equal to 5. Observe this one, what is this? This 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. I have drawn a graph here. So what is this? This is a straight line. So, linear equation with the 2 variables are represent a straight line. The linear equation with the 2 variables are represent a straight line. This one also very important for short answer children. So, what is the graph is represented by the linear equation, that is a straight line. Okay, so many points we have covered. Just we can recollect once again. So solution means understand the point should be satisfy the given equation, that is the solution, right? Linear equation 2 variable mean a linear equation with the 2 variables like x and y. So it is called a linear equation with the 2 variables only. And what about the graph here? The graph of a linear equation is a straight line. So from this we got the many points, that is x is equal to 0 is a line, it is y-axis, x is equal to 0 is a y-axis, y equal to 0 is a x-axis. X is equal to k is a line parallel to the y-axis. From k unit distance, y is equal to k. K means here any constant, any number you can take. Y equal to k is a line parallel to the x-axis from k unit distance. Okay, so x is equal to 0 is a y-axis, y is equal to 0 is a x-axis. X comma 0 is a point lies on y-axis, x-axis, and 0 comma y is a point lies on y-axis. Okay, now for example, the question has given like y is equal to mx model, like this. Mean y is equal to x, not mx. y equal to x or x is equal to y, we are taking this line. For example, y is equal to x means if x is 1, y is 1. This is the point. If x is 2, y is 2. This is the point. If x is 3, y is 3. Here is the point. If x is 0, y is 0. Here is the point. If x is minus 1 and y is minus 1, this is the point. Now if you join this line, okay, this is y is equal to x or x is equal to y. So what I am trying to say here, y is equal to mx model. M means any coefficient you take here. Any coefficient like y is equal to x, y equal to 2x, y equal to 3x, whatever it may be. This one, y is equal to mx is a model. So graph, if you draw the line should be passes through the, what is this? Origin. So these all are the very important points, children. So I hope you understood today complete introduction point of linear equation in two variables. Just go through these keywords what we have discussed here. Okay, that's the matter today. So take care, bye and jai.